Hello guys, how to find keywords for YouTube. Finding the right keywords is crucial for your YouTube videos to be discovered by the right audience. Here are some effective methods to identify and optimize your keywords. 1. Utilize YouTube's autocomplete feature. Start typing a relevant topic or phrase into the YouTube search bar. Pay attention to the suggestions that appear as you type. These are popular search terms related to your query. 2. Leverage Google Keyword Planner. While primarily designed for Google Ads, Google Keyword Planner can provide valuable insights for YouTube keyword research. Input relevant keywords and explore the suggested keyword ideas, search volume, and competition level. 3. Employ YouTube's keyword research tool. If you're a YouTube creator, you can access the built-in keyword research tool in YouTube Studio. This tool provides data on search volume, competition, and related keywords. 4. Consider using third-party keyword research tools. Tools like vidIQ, TubeBuddy, and Ahrefs offer advanced keyword research features, including keyword suggestions, search volume data, competitor analysis, trend analysis. 5. Analyze your competitors. Study the keywords used by successful YouTubers in your niche. Check their video titles, descriptions, and tags to identify effective keywords. Tips for keyword optimization. Relevance. Choose keywords that accurately reflect your video's content. Search volume. Prioritize keywords with a decent search volume to attract more viewers. Competition. Consider the competition level for each keyword and aim for a balance between high search volume and low competition. Long-tail keywords. Use longer, more specific keywords to target a niche audience. Keyword placement. Incorporate keywords strategically in your video title, description, and tags. Natural language. Avoid keyword stuffing and focus on natural language that flows smoothly. By following these strategies and using the right tools, you can effectively optimize your YouTube videos for search and attract more viewers. Would you like to explore a specific keyword research tool or have any other questions about YouTube SEO?